Alright guys, it's mail day. I got this on Friday and I told Claus Lundberg, who sent this from Denmark, if you can imagine, that I would do an opening on Sunday. It's kind of like Jim Anderson, Sunday in the shop. But he's probably in bed by now because it's afternoon here on Sunday in Canada. So he's probably, it's late there. And he sent me this a long time ago. And other stuff. Pretty cool guy. Always, he watches everything. He comments on everything that I do. And my grandparents on both sides, my grandparents, my mother's mom and dad, were from Denmark. And he did a little bit of research. And my grandfather came from a low coastal fisheries area, and we think, and my grandmother came from an area north of there. So he's actually helps me out a lot. And now here he is helping me out again. So thanks, Claus. We're gonna see what's in here. It's generic now. I've taken the postage markage off, and let's just see what we got. So let's do this. It's well wrapped, just the way he is too, eh? I think it's got something to do with air, but I have no idea. You don't want to throw anything away, right? Oh, my goodness. Hi, Bruce. Hope you will enjoy this inflator. Thanks for all the great videos, Claus. Now, this isn't, I have to say, when you get something that's made in Europe, it actually says made in Denmark on here. You're getting better quality stuff than anywhere else on earth. I know I don't want to make my American friends mad, but everybody knows that stuff that's made in Europe is good quality. He probably saw my other terrible one that I've got. So now I have a tire inflator from Denmark. So I am going to get a 1/4 inch line into here, and I'm just going to get this set up, and we'll see how she works. So I'll be back in just a bit. All right, everything's making a racket. There we go. Whew. 3 revolutions or so was probably too much. I always put on too much of this stuff. And we need a wrench. Is that 9/16 or is that going to be a 14 mil? Same thing. Good. Being European, I probably should have pulled a 14 millimeter, but they're the same size. Okay. Don't want to break anything. All right, let's hook it up to the air supply. Oh, wrong end. Okay, now I'm going to just check the air in my tractor. It's supposed to be at 10 pounds. Walk this way. Maybe we can reach. Maybe we can reach. It's probably low. It's been sitting all winter, eh? We'll get you guys in the show here, in the picture. Well, it's still at 10 pounds. That's great. That's the one I fixed with the tube, with the patch. So thank you, Claus. From Denmark. I think tak is thank you, and snacka is talk. That's about the only two words I know in Danish. And I think guten tak means thank you, or thank you very much, I think. I don't know. Help me! Thank you, buddy. I wish my Danish was as good as your English, my friend. I really respect somebody who's been able to handle taking the effort to learn two different languages. A lot of Europeans do know two languages or more. So thanks, my friend. Whoops. Means a lot to me. See you later.